Mudras are an integral part of yoga and meditation, acting as gestures that close and direct energy flow in the body. Today, in this video, we will learn about the intricacies of Shivlinga Mudra in detail, guide you through the steps to perform it correctly, discover its benefits, and address common questions related to its practice. What is Shivling Mudra? This mudra hand gesture resembles a shivling, a symbolic representation of Lord Shiva in Hinduism. The hand gesture represents a combination of elements of masculinity and femininity, creation and destruction, peace and dynamism. In this posture, the hands come together reminiscent of Shivalinga, creating a feeling of balance and unity within, which creates a solid focus for meditation and energy channeling. The right hand, making a fist with the thumb raised, represents the masculine energy. The left hand, open to the right and cup shaped, symbolize the feminine energy or yoni. Together, they create a balance, reflecting the duality and unity of existence. The pose is derived from the symbolism of Shiva and Shakti, the primordial forces of the universe, and has been practiced for centuries as a means of achieving spiritual balance and enhancing meditation. Shivling Mudra and Linga Mudra are specific hand postures in yoga, each with unique benefits and purposes. Shivlinga, which symbolize the balance of masculine and feminine energies. On the other hand, Linga Mudra is performed by joining the fingers of both the hands together while keeping the thumb of the left hand straight, pointing upwards and encircling it with the thumb and forefinger of the right hand. This pose generates heat in the body, boosts immunity, and helps in weight loss. How to do Shivling Mudra? To do Shiva Linga Mudra Yoga, first of all sit in Sukhasana, Vajrasana, and Padmasana. Place your left hand open and in a cup shape in your lap. Make a fist with your right hand with the thumb extended upward. Gently place your right fist, with the thumb extended, on top of your left open hand. Make sure the outstretched thumb is pointing upward and your hands are positioned at the level of your stomach. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Focus on your breathing and feel the energy balance between your hands. Keep your attention on the thumb pointing upward, seeing it as a channel for divine energy and balance. When you are ready to end your practice, release the pose by slowly unclenching your fists. Take a moment to notice the effects of the pose on your mood and energy. You can do this posture for any length of time as per your capacity. The ideal time to practice Shivlinga Mudra is between 4 am to 7 am. During this time, the mind remains calm and the environment remains calm, which increases the effectiveness of the mudra. If morning exercise is challenging, it can also be done in the evening. The ideal duration to hold Shivling Mudra is 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Consistent practice within this time frame helps in achieving a balanced state of mind and increases focus and concentration. It is important to maintain a comfortable posture and focus on your breathing throughout the practice to get the full benefits of the pose. Benefits of doing Shivling Mudra. 1. Balancing Pitta Dosha. Shivling Mudra is associated with generating heat in the body. This heat can help balance excessive Pitta Dosha, which is associated with fire and can cause problems like inflammation and excessive heat in the body. The ability of mudra to generate heat helps in regulating and balancing Pitta Dosha. 2. To balance and activate the Mooladhara Chakra. Shivling Mudra helps to activate and balance the root chakra, Mooladhara Chakra, by flowing energy into this fundamental energy center. With its linga-like thumb sign associated with Lord Shiva, it promotes emotional and mental stability, which is linked to the root chakra. It reduces stress and anxiety and promotes a sense of grounding and security in one's life. 3. Increasing breathing capacity. The ability of Shivling Mudra to generate heat in the body can increase breathing capacity and contribute to better lung function. Better breath control is essential for overall health and vitality. For relief from sinusitis and cold, Shivling Mudra is beneficial for persons suffering from cold, cough, and sinusitis as it increases immunity against cold symptoms. By activating and balancing the energies within the body, it supports the body's natural defenses against these conditions. 5. Removing negativity. Shivling Mudra is often associated with removing negativity from one's life. It promotes a sense of grounding and relaxation, making it effective in dealing with stress and nurturing mental peace. 6. Spiritual relationship. Shivling Mudra symbolize the integration of the energies of Lord Shiva and Shakti, which promotes spiritual connection and deep spiritual awareness. This can lead to inner peace and a deep sense of purpose. Precautions to keep in mind while performing mudra. If practiced correctly, Shivling Mudra is generally considered safe for most individuals. Here are some precautions and tips to ensure safe and effective practice. 1. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you feel any discomfort or tension while practicing the pose, gently release the pose and relax. To avoid excessive tension, do not force your hands into that position. Practice should be comfortable and stress-free. 3. Consult a professional. If you have any existing health conditions or concerns, it is advisable to consult a yoga or health care professional before incorporating Shivlinga Mudra into your routine. 4. Create a calm environment. Practice in a quiet and calm environment to focus your attention and increase the effectiveness of the posture. 5. Combine with meditation. Incorporating Shivalinga Mudra into your meditation practice can deepen your meditation and increase its benefits. 6. Maintain a state of mindfulness throughout the exercise, keeping your attention on your posture and your breath. Here are some situations in which Shivling Mudra should be avoided or practiced with caution. First, high blood pressure. While mudras are generally known to help control blood pressure, individuals with high blood pressure should practice Shivlinga Mudra in moderation and under the guidance of a qualified instructor. Second is ulcer. If you have a stomach or duodenal ulcer, it is best to avoid practicing Shiva Linga Mudra, as the increase in heat within the body may worsen the condition. Third is bile problems. Individuals with bile-related problems should avoid practicing Shivling Mudra, as it can potentially aggravate these problems. Conclusion. By keeping the body free and healthy, physical and mental disorders can be cured by Shivling Mudra. If you are suffering from laziness and fatigue, you can make yourself energetic by using this posture. Shivling Mudra Yoga is beneficial in removing anxiety and making the body healthy. By keeping the body free and healthy through this posture, physical and mental disorders can be cured. If you are suffering from lethargy and fatigue, then you can make yourself energetic by using this mudra.